Good evening. I'm your NewsLink Indiana weather forecaster Jordan Nienaber here with your web weather update on this Friday evening. Currently here in Muncie, it is 39 degrees with the winds out of the west-northwest at 10 miles an hour. It is making it feel quite chilly out there though. How chilly, you may ask? Well, it's feeling around the lower 30s all across the state. 31 degrees in Terre Haute, 30 degrees in Lafayette, 32 degrees in Fort Wayne, and 30 degrees down there in Bloomington. But for tonight though, expect temperatures to drop to around 31 degrees with winds out of the southwest at 3 to 7 miles an hour with mostly cloudy skies. And mostly cloudy skies will be sticking around throughout most of your overnight hours. We have another system coming in and I'll track that down for you here on PrecisionCast. By 1 a.m. we will see clouds sticking around throughout the area, but we start to see this another system push in about 2-3 o'clock as it is in northwestern Indiana, and it will eventually make its way down here by about 6 or 7 o'clock. As we can see, we'll see maybe some mixed precipitation and some snowfall around 8 p.m. and that'll be here to stay throughout most of your night on Saturday and into Sunday, as we can see maybe in this narrow band set up in our viewing area. But as well, we might see another heavier band develop later in the morning on Sunday, but we'll have to keep it tuned in here for any other weather updates. But for this weekend though, it's not going to be too bad to start out. We'll see a high of about 41 degrees on Saturday with that rain snow mix possible, and winds will switch to be out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And on Sunday we will see chances of snow, but it will be early on with a high of 37 degrees and winds out of the north at 3 to 8 miles an hour. That being said, it is winter weather preparedness week and we're going to have 2 winter systems move throughout the area. That means you need to make sure whenever you go out somewhere you got to bundle up and keep warm. The NWS recommends that you keep at least 1 coat and maybe 2 blankets with you in your car just in case you do get stranded and you need to stay warm. That also being said, if you do get stranded, make sure you at least have over a half a tank of gas in your car, because you never know how long it'll be until help will arrive and you need to find some way to keep warm. And always prepare an emergency kit, because you never know what may happen. You take some food rations, take some water, make sure you have whatever you need to be able to survive out there if you do get stranded. For your 7-day forecast though, after this system moves through, it's going to look like a great Thanksgiving week to go out and spend some time with your family. Monday though, 39 degrees, we'll see sunshine start to peek out after a long week of clouds, low of 26. Tuesday we start to see this little warm up happen on high of 42, low of 39. Wednesday and Thursday, it's going to look gorgeous out there. 45 degrees and 48 degrees on Thanksgiving. It'll be great to go out there with your family, especially around here in central Indiana. And on Friday, we warm up into the lower 50s, which right now feels like a warm up into the 70s, but we could take what we can take. But we may see a chance of showers on Friday as well. For any other weather updates, please follow us at NLI Weather on Twitter.